Okay, so same program here, but I've added the functionality to get an average calorie count between all 10 flavors, and then also a running total to sum up all of the calories on the whole menu, basically. So yeah, so what I've done here, everything is the same. I've populated the vectors, and we have a total variable. I've added this. It's an integer. This will allow us to get the running total of all the calories while we're looping through the vectors in parallel. So I'm using the same loop. Again, the plumbing was already in place. All I've done is I've added this statement here. So each time through the loop, we're saying total. Very importantly, I didn't mention this, but when you begin, when you have like this is called an accumulator. Accumulator variable, where we're getting like a running total of something. When you have one of these, it's very important that you initialize it to 0. Okay, so we have this line, total equals whatever's already in there plus the current calorie value that we're looking at. So we're going to look at each calorie value for each of the flavors while we're looping through. So everyone's going to be added to the total. So first time through the loop, for example, total equals 0, which is what's in there at the moment, plus the calories for the first element, which is mango, which is 200. So total becomes 200. Second time through the loop, total equals whatever's already in there, 200, plus the salted caramel, which is the second value, which is 350. So 200 plus 350 is 550. So total is up to 550, and so on. So we'll get the running total. Now, this is such a common thing to do in programming that we have a shortcut. That's the same. Okay, here, I'll just comment this out. That's the long way. And I'll do this for comparison. It's this. That's a shortcut. Okay. All right, so then we're home free. We can get the average. We have, I just did an integer. And we'll divide that grand total by the number of items in the calories array. I could have just as easily said flavors dot size. They both have 10 elements because they're parallel. They have the same number of elements each. So either one is fine. I just did the calories because we're totaling up the calories. And so that would be the average calories. You know, and I didn't really, this is a case of integer division, but nobody really cares about a fraction of a calorie. So we can just kind of let that go and not care about precision fractional calories. So, yeah, so now we have the cout statements where I'm printing the average calories. And then also the total. I thought I'd let the user know how much all of the gelato flavors would be if they ate everything on the menu. 2,900 calories. Not too bad if that's all you eat all day. So yeah, there you have it.